This is the simple application that I started to build. Um, in Laravel, the framework is such that the CSS style allows this right here. I haven't really messed with it. I did watch some Laracast video on how to use Sass or less and use something called Elixir to build the CSS. I haven't gotten that far into things. Anyway, the nice thing is today I was able to change some things so that the routes all now use controllers. This is kind of straightforward. You just simply say get this controller right here. So if I wanted to look at the bathroom controller, I just click right there. There's the bathroom controller, and in the bathroom function is a return of the view. The view is right now very simple. I haven't um, worked with the layouts yet within Laravel. I know about them, I just haven't worked with them. What do I mean by layouts? If you look very carefully here, you'll see at the top there's something called extends layout, and then you have a section that's called content, and then the end of the section. I haven't done any of that stuff. Anyway, this is what it looks like, just real fast. It is something for the documentation, and then of course home. You can see I'm logged in. I'm logged out. The login looks like this. Log myself in, etc. And I'm working on a bathroom pass so that the kids can use their cell phones and just check out the bathroom pass, go grab it, and then if someone else wants to go to the bathroom, they can just look it up online. They don't have to go to me as a teacher and say, "May I have the bathroom pass?" This is a discussion because a lot of kids indicate that they feel like school has become a prison. They have to ask permission to go and pee. I mean, that's just actually ridiculous. I can't imagine. I can't imagine that. So hopefully this is the first thing that I'm trying to develop with Laravel. There are lots of other things I have in mind. Um, it's nice to get the authentication working, tying in the database, learning about Artisan within Laravel was really cool to be able to migrate. I haven't really done much with the database. The database is extremely simplistic. But hey, for a couple hours worth of not knowing anything, this is pretty sweet. I'm actually enjoying Laravel. Look at the code. Pretty straightforward. You get the controller like welcome. You go to the page controller. You look at the welcome function. It ties the view. You go to the view, and there it is. Now needs to be cleaned up, obviously, because it doesn't have the layout. It's not tied to layouts or anything. But a lot of this was default. Very little coding. It was just learning where everything was, trying to figure out the right formatting. It's kind of sweet. Hey, if you're interested in taking your PHP to the next level, take a look at Laravel. I know that I went from just a sublime blank document to PHP Storm. Now I use PHP Storm and Atom as depending on what I'm looking at, what I'm trying to do, and then now I'm trying to learn Laravel because I want to learn how to use controllers. I want to do the MVC approach much better, the model view controller. I want to do that much better. I want to learn how to do that because Zenforo uses that sort of style. Their namespacing is a little bit different. Um, and I'm kind of looking forward to Zenforo 2.0 to see how they do things, and maybe I can tie the ZenWord bridge in better. I don't know, it's kind of exciting.